Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. I just bought water pump and I want to open this box to see what's inside. On the box it says made in China, but I think there is nothing to worry because Volvo is already China's company. I'm very interesting what inside the box. Gasket made in Sweden. Rubber rings made in Sweden. And of course, water pump. Okay, smooth rotation. And instruction for installation, water pump, pictures, so good. This is water pump for Volvo 140 series. Thanks for your attention.